Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing great. Nakash of the back with another excited video. So today I'm going to show you. Before I also think it that really matter. AI gonna replace every one of us. Like I am a VFX artist or 3D designer, motion graphics artist. So I'm thinking no, that's not the reason AI cannot replace us. But when I use it myself, it's really amazed me. So I will show you the example and I tell you step by step how I make that video by using only AI. I don't do any modeling or rendering or any kind of rigging, animation, nothing. I didn't shoot anything. So just with AI, I know this is not really good as we know, but if you see this, so in future everything is possible in my case. So let's take a look what I mean here. So let me play it for you. There you go.
Craving the world's best beef
So this
burger?
all
Our
audio
passionate AI chef at
generated
Nakash Cooking with AI
generated with
brings you the
AI, this
juiciest,
video,
most
everything,
mouth-watering burger
single
experience.
shot,
Perfectly cooked, bursting
and
with
it's
flavor,
only take like
our burger
1
is so
hour
good,
or
even food
minimum 1
champions
hour.
can't resist.
So as you
And
can
guess
see
what?
here,
We host
so
burger
I will show you
contests,
how I
so you can prove you're a
how I
true
do
burger
this.
lover. So what are you waiting for? Taste the most unique
So
beef
it's really
burger on the
amazed me
planet.
when I
Nakash
see
Cooking
this.
with AI,
It's
where
just
passion
with
meets
some
perfection.
prompts with text
Try it today.
and you get this result. And I didn't use a lot of time for this one. I just give 1 hour and achieve only this one. So let me show you the tools which I use. So there is many tools from text to video generation and image to video generation. One of the best tool is runway ml, but it's a paid, so you need to pay for it. I will show you the free and really great which I make from where I make this video. I use Minimax, so I will show you in moment. So this is the runway ml, you can use this one. This is really awesome, but I will show you how I create this one. So first of all, I create script for my ad from ChatGPT, so like burger ad. So let me show you the script. So here is burger voiceover commercial, they give me this one. So after that I generate audio, text to audio by using 11 labs. So I just go there, it's free, you can use it free, like they give you 10 minutes, you can create 10 minutes of audio with text, 100% free. So I just copy this whole script, make some adjustment like this and paste it there. Like I just move craving for the burger like that. So as you can see here, there is option you can you get 10,000 credit for free for per 1 month. So if you like, you can buy it's really cheap, it's only $5 a month, you can get 30,000 credit. So you are able to I think you are able to create 30-minute long audio with 30,000 credit. So that's the really awesome. So you can choose what we say audio style and everything. I choose this one, video Alex. So just generate, and in few seconds it's give you all speech. After that, main tool we use here is I mentioned the link, it's a Chinese website, so
Craving the
it's
world's
100%
best
free.
beef
It
burger?
generates 6-minute
Our
video.
passionate AI
So let
chef
me
at Nakash
translate it for
Cooking
you.
with AI brings you the
It
juiciest,
generates
most
6 second, sorry,
mouth-watering
not
burger
6 minutes, 6
experience.
second video
Perfectly cooked,
per
bursting
scene.
with
So I
flavor,
will show you
our
what I
burger is
create
so
before.
good, even
That's
food champions
few
can't
steps. So
resist.
I
And guess
create
what?
each scene
We
like six
host burger
second scene,
contests so you can
like
prove
total
you're a
it's
true burger
how many
lover.
scenes I
So
create
what are
for
you
this
waiting
one.
for? Taste the most
Let's
unique
see,
beef burger on the planet.
1
Nakash,
2
cooking with an
3
I,
4
where
5
passion
6
meets
7
perfection.
8 9
Logo
10
appears with a
11
sizzle
12
sound.
13
Try it today.
14 15 16 17. So I use 17 scenes of 6 seconds, and I use Camtasia Studio for make it combine it and everything. And that's it. That's all I need to do it. So first of all, let me show you. It's really easy. Just give simple prompt. Let's say Obama eating burger, and just a moment. So as you can see here, Wama eating burger, and so the best part of this one, it's use you can use text in it. So let me show you. And neon sign in background with text, so you can use text like Nakash. Let's say Nakash burger. So generate. So it take like 3 to 5 minutes to generating your video. What the heck is this? Let me close this all. So as you can see here, it's already starting. So it's 100% free. So right now it's busy. So it's you can see here it's take 23 minutes. But in night time there is no one using this one except me, I believe. So it's really awesome. So you can create your own videos and add the try bunch of thing with it, like this ad. So here is the prompt: Nike sneakers we're coming out from paint 3D render style. So there is a lot of possibilities you can install local on your locally. I have already installed some AI tools, but it's really, you need to have a really good GPU and powerful workstation. So let me show you example some of them you can install locally. I mentioned the link here, uh, give you card how you can install these tools. So like this one's farm UI, you can generate your own video with this one by using your own GPU and everything. So let me show you. Okay, let's move. So that's all for today. So this is just the introduction video I give you. I upload in future more and more videos for show you how you can use AI with your daily projects like rendering and texturing, and I'm also creating a plugin for especially for Cinema 4D, where you can automatically texture your object with using AI. Just type and they automatically give texture to your scene. So thanks for watching. This is all for today. Hope you are fine. See you in next video. Thank you.